Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to install for the first time this Amazon Fire TV Stick. Here's everything that comes in the box. So we do have a cable. This is micro USB to USB-A. We do have a power adapter. We can plug this into the wall, plug our cable in, and then you're going to power up your device. Now the cable is 5 feet long, and this has you can only go in one way. There's a short way and a long way. So make sure you line it up, push it in. Now we got to put this on an HDMI input of our TV. But if it won't fit, we have this little extender. Now HDMI will only go one way also. There's a short way and a long way. Now we got an extension, and I got to plug this other end in to the wall outlet. Now the adapter you can plug into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Its output is 5 volts, 1 amp. So on the back side of your TV, you may have a USB output, like this one here on this TV is only 5 volts, 500 milliamp hours. So I would not be able to plug this into it and be able to power this. It does need 1 amp, and that TV can only put out a ½ amp. But there is a solution for that. So here we have the Mission USB power cable. Now this does not come with that, but if you want to use the USB power from your TV and it only puts out 500 milliamp hours, this is the way to go. You're going to plug this into that 500 milliamp hour, and you're going to get 1.8 volts out. I'm sorry, amps. Now the way it does it is you input 5 volts, 500 milliamp amps, but it outputs 5 volts, 1.8 amps. It has a little battery in there. Now it says the circuitry inside there stores excess power from your TV's USB port, then releases it when the Fire TV momentarily demands more power. So there is a battery in here. I have used this. It actually works very well with this. If you want to power it with this, you plug this into the USB, then you just plug this in right to there, and that way you're not having to run a cord into an extra plug-in. Okay, here's the back of the TV. Now I'm going to plug this in. Let's plug this in first. That's a little tricky. Again, mine only outputs a ½ amp. US or micro or HDMI, push that in. Again, if I needed that extension cable, I could. Now I can just plug this right into here. Make sure you line it up. It'll only go one way. There. Now it's installed. Now I'm powering up this Fire Stick with the power from the TV. I don't have to use this, but this does eliminate me plugging this in and running another cable. Okay, so you will need the TV remote and find HDMI 1. Okay, now we've got that's the original screen. Now we need to install, we're seeing what the Fire Stick is putting out. Now you install the batteries and it should connect. All right, there. We got a blue light flashing. Let's press the center button. Okay, now it says press the play button. All right, looks like it started. Now it's probably going to have to do an update. And that's what it's doing. Download. This can take 5 to 15 minutes. Okay, while we're waiting for the updating, let's go over the controls. Again, this is the voice search. If I press that, that's like saying the wake word for your Amazon device. I can control the TV with power, home button, volume, quick action buttons here. If I want to go right to Prime Video or Netflix, I just press that button. And here's what everything, they got play, pause, fast forward, menu, rewind, mute. Now it does string Dolby Atmos and it output high definition 1080p. Okay, so once it's updated, you're going to walk through a few setup, but here's your channels you can add. If you go over here, you can add more channels right here, but you can also scroll down. It'll show you different things like live TV, what you've been watching. You can continue watching. Here's your home button. Here's your inputs. No, you don't have inputs on the Fire Stick. So anyway, there's what it looks like. I really do like the Fire Stick. So let me just show you how that wake button works. I'm going to press it. Show me comedy movies. And it's going to do a search and find me the movies. I can turn closed captions on. I can turn the volume up and down. I can turn the TV off. So again, pressing that button is like saying the wake word for your Amazon smart device. I really do like this Amazon Fire Stick. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.